Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched, we're so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
2021 CFMS Virtual Pep Rally. The CFMS Cheerleaders.
Hello everyone, my name is Eden Wood and I'm your Student Council Vice President. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the 2020-2021 CFMS cheerleaders who are led by Coach Newhouser. Our middle school cheerleaders did a great job cheering and doing dances for the fans at the football and basketball games. They learned cheers and danced very quickly, got the fans cheering for Copley, and were great role models in our school. Your 7th and 8th grade cheerleaders are Maddie Haddad, Leah Havel, Taylor Williams, Mia Kleps, Brielle Newhouser, Sadie Davis, Maria Maurer, and Maya Mendici. Once again, Coach Newhouser and your 2020-2021 CFMS cheerleaders.
The 7th and 8th grade girls basketball teams.
What's going on?
Ding, ding.
everyone, my name is Eden Wood and I am your Student Council Vice President. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the 2020-2021 8th grade girls basketball team, who is led by Coach Ritchie. The 8th grade girls basketball team completed their season with nearly half of their games ending in victory in the Suburban League in this COVID-shortened season. The team would like to give a special thanks to our scorekeeper, Maria Restivo, manager Kayla Shihaj, our school administration, photographer Mrs. Himmelreich, and road scorekeeper, Mr. Lane. A special thank you to Coach Collins and Coach Kuhn for helping out this year. Your 8th grade girls basketball players are Kaylee Himmelreich, Savannah Schemmler, Jania Rowe, McKenna Sloan, third on the team in rebounds, Kara Softenberg, Allison Chesney with 27 points on the season, JC Collins, who was second on the team in rebounds, Andrew McLean, who was third on the team in steals and scored 30 points. Second on the team in scoring with 34 points was Callie Consman. Team captain, as voted by her teammates, was Eminem Zura, who had 27 points and led the team in steals with 21. And the team's leading rebounder with 31 and leading scorer with 61 points, Desiree Farrow. Once again, your 2020-2021 8th grade girls basketball.
Hello everyone, my name is Maria Kramer and I am one of your Student Council Executive Council members. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the 2020-2021 8th grade boys basketball team, who is led by Coach Stevens. The 2020-2021 8th grade boys basketball team wrapped up an incredible season. Led in scoring by Justice Alaranto, Gabe Mansell, and John Wharton, the Indians averaged 43 points per game while winning by an average of 27 points per game. Opponents struggled to score against an aggressive Indians defense that caused almost 10 turnovers a game. Season highlights include a 5-1 home record, a season-high 14 points from Evan Chmielewski against rival Revere, and handing Nordonia's 8th grade team their first home loss in 2 years. Their 8th grade boys basketball players are Hudson Abel, Jason Baines Jr., Evan Chmielewski, Matthew Doherty, Benny Garrett Jr., Braden Herstich, Gabe Mansell, Justice Alarunta, Highland Parsons, A.Z. Patterson, Dontier Stanford, Mason Stewart, and John Wharton. Once again, the 2020-2021 8th grade boys basketball team.
Hello everyone, my name is Grace Lancianis and I am one of your Student Council Executive Council members. It is my pleasure to introduce you to the 2020-2021 7th grade boys basketball team who is coached by Coach Short. The 7th grade boys basketball team picked up 3 big wins during the shortened 2020-2021 season, which included victories over Aurora and Kent Roosevelt, who the Indians held only 2 points in the first half, and Cuyahoga Falls, which held Copley produced a great defensive effort in the game. Leading scorers for the team this season included Sean Barnett with 104 total points and Tony Burleson, who averaged 6 points per game. Your 7th grade boys basketball players are Sean Barnett, Anderson Madden, Ethan Cooper, Andrew McKnight, Charles Thompson, Logan Maselli, Lucas Tilsch, Carter Goen, Ben Rovnak, Jackson Calloway, Tony Burleson, Andrew Nichols, and Adonis Robin. Once again, your 2020-2021 7th grade boys basketball team.